Hello, y'all. The fire alarm just went off. We went outside because there's working going on, and I'm with my YouTube
It was
friend.
ridiculous.
Yes. We got 10 minutes, Kale. Kale, geez, you're gonna kill yourself with that. Stop! Oh my God!
I might not, I might well.
Yeah, he's kind of weird.
I am not.
Oh, okay, put that scissors down. He almost killed me.
Bro, what got took me 4 seconds to realize that actually was a fire alarm.
I know. No, the first reaction, I grabbed my phone and I was like, I'm out of here, y'all. No, my phone was on the charger like this. Like it was plugged in. And I did this. I yanked it straight off. Come on, Cal. Use your muscles.
Use my muscles. Breathing. Under pressure. Outside the water.
Oh, I thought you were. Hey, whoa! Whoa! I'm not giving her ball away.
You guys have a ball over here?
Yeah.
Can we borrow it?
Yes.
When?
Ah! Don't cut me!
Be careful and cut away from you.
Isn't this hilarious?
Material! What are you doing?
You spent $8,000 on my credit card.
I'm a material. Wait, come with the camera and do that.
Dad, who spent...
You almost hit me!
What do you need cut?